Hello my peoples, Superman Review here, and I hope you're doing good. I really do. Today we're gonna review something crazy for heavy sleepers, so stick around. Roll the intro. Alright guys, we got the package. We didn't throw it this time. Man, this package looked like it's been through a lot. Kinda like me. Anyways, I didn't take the liberty of slicing it open, so we'll do that now. Oh snap, I almost killed myself, bro. Alright guys, today we're gonna be reviewing this shock bracelet. Boy. Alright guys, what this does basically is if you don't wake up and you're always snoozing your alarm, this bad boy, it gives you a warning. It beeps. And if you don't wake up, it vibrates. And if you don't wake up, boy, you gonna wake up. It gives you an electric jolt. I don't know how bad is it, so we'll try it here right now in today's episode and we'll see if it's that bad. So, I'm scared. Man, bro, it's not working anymore. I'll take a look at the box. It looks beautiful. Let that focus. Okay, take a look at the back. Cool. And this not only is for sleeping, it breaks all bad habits. It says breaks nail biting, mindless eating, waking up early, bunch of habits. I don't know how this works, we'll find out, but that is dope, that is amazing. Now let's unbox this. That's cool. Oh boy, I'm stoked. I've not used this yet. Oh man, I like it. It's pretty simple. Wow, that's really simple. Boy, we might actually read this. Boy, I think we might actually read this instructions after all. Bro, I love this company. Simple, simple. Simple, bro. Okay, it says read. Read this first. Download and read the guide. Forget what I'd said. Lightning, bro. What's your full name? What's your email? Oh my goodness. We're gonna fill up everything and we'll see how it goes. Let's take a break. Dang. Oh my goodness. Oh man. What in the world? Woohoo! I'm also wearing these too. All right, suit. That ruined it so bad. Yeah, let's go. I don't know what to expect. Bro? Is it not charged, bro? We're gonna leave the package, guys. Alright, guys. Wasn't expecting anybody. Alright guys, that was cool. Now we gotta get out of here. We gotta go back. Felt it all the way over here, man. Swear. Like I felt it while I was holding my phone, man. Oh snap, I shocked myself. Okay, basically I was reading and it says, press the device whenever you feel like a bad habit is coming. So yeah, I'm scared. Well anyways, I did it and I was holding my phone, bro, and I felt it all the way over here. Ah! I'm scared. Oh. Ah. Oh. Oh. Man, bro, it's not working anymore. Ah, dang, that actually hurts, bro. Ah, that shocks you, man. But a while ago, I had my phone on the other hand and I pressed it, I was like, okay. And then I felt the electricity come out the other hand into my phone and it stung. Okay, this is pretty cool. Okay, basically what it says, if you feel a bad habit that's coming, it says press your device every time you think or engage in your bad habit and it will just electrocute you. That way, hey, calm down what you're doing. As it immediately reduces your cravings, like if you want to eat some Twinkies or whatever, you know, press it. Track your progress. Use the Pavlok app to download courses, track your habit change, connect with the Pavlok community, and more. Dang, that's dope. Earn bolts. Bolts are our habit change. Man, a lot of people are going to be criticizing how I read. Who cares? I ain't no pro. Earn bolts by breaking habits and complete tasks. Spend bolts on extra features and new powers. Oh, that's dope. It's like a video game. Do not operate heavy machinery while you're using this thing. I agree to the full disclaimer, and if I die or something, oh, I'm scared, bro. Okay, you have to press it. Like, let's say you're having a bad craving, you gotta press it.
You press it.
It's I thought you press it. Oh wait. Oh man. It's not shocking you?
No.
What?
I'm a good kid, I guess. I don't got bad habits.
What?
Ah!
Chill. Let him try it.
For just 1 penny a day, you can help this man.
You're just immune to it, I guess.
I'm immune to it. Let me sit down. Let me sit down.
Let you sit down.
The pain. Bro.
Okay, go ahead.
I'm Loki scared. I'm Loki scared.
I was scared too, bro, man. It's like the hype. Go ahead. You gotta like press on it real good. You'll feel it vibrate if you press it right. You gotta like press on it like if it's an actual button.
Alright.
Not hard.
Alright, 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah, it was a little bit. Not bad. I liked it. Let's do it again. I thought it was gonna be more.
Man, we're not even using it for the purpose. We're just using it for fun. Oh snap! I'm scared, bro. I don't want to do this.
Come on. Let me grab the phone. I ain't even gonna tell you when I'm gonna do it.
Nah, chill out, bro. Chill out. I want to do it.
Yeah.
No, I want to do it. Let me do it. I want to do it. Oh no. I want to do it.
There you go.
Oh man, I'm so scared. Oh. My goodness. Alright guys. Turns out we had the percentage at 10% of strength. And I was already crying. We're gonna try it at 100%. And I'm scared, bro. That's a big jump, bro. Oh! Man, Superman, I'm Superman. I'm scared, bro. Everybody at the studio tried it. Ah! 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 That hurt, bro. That really hurt, man. Oh.
You made it twice, huh?
Oh, bro, that hurt. Man, take this grip off, bro. I'm done with this, bro. Oh, man. Golly. Oh, man, bro.
Prayers.
You're gonna be waking up from this. So what it looks like, it has things set up to you like a trainer. When you go to the gym, they have you do this, this, and that. So I guess it has little courses that you can do, and it helps you like be more aware and just be more effective throughout your day. But I'm really impressed by this product. We will we'll test it out more and see it. But man, this thing hurts, bro. We bought it for the main purpose of heavy sleeping, but we got more than we bargained for. And then you can add, like I said, to break bad habits. By, let's say you're chewing your nails or something, you hold the bolt, boy, that thing sends a, I wonder if it shocks me like if I have it. I'm scared, bro. See, the bolt, you see it light up? Yeah, it lights up red and then actually shocks you. So it shocks you and like, hey, bro, don't do that. But just the feeling, bro, of just going to do it yourself to you, I'm pretty sure you're gonna stop any habit that you have. This is something that I wasn't expecting to be this good of a product, but I'm gonna use it a lot. That's pretty much all I can say about the product. That hurt my hand. I still feel like it's stinged. But that's it, all I can say. I'm gonna use it every day and we'll do an update on it. Superman out!